the sun can reflect harmful rays off of your windows, damaging your artificial grass. Here's a shot of some artificial grass that has been melted by harmful rays. In this video, we will show you how to make and install sunscreens to protect your grass. First, measure your window. Start at the base and go from one edge all the way to the other edge. Then to get your height, start at the top, all the way down to the bottom of the window frame. Next, we're going to cut the frame according to the measurements. Using a saw, take extra care and precision in cutting your frames. Be sure to stretch the frames out. This will help you to get an accurate measurement for each side. Stretch it out all the way over, leaving some slack, preferably several inches, so that you have enough material for your sunscreen. Using a roller, press the spline into the grooves of the frame. Measure the width from both the bottom and middle of the frame to make sure that they're both the exact same length. Now, using the pointed edge of a roller, we're going to get rid of any air bubbles by once again pressing it in the grooves of the frame. Measure once again the middle of your frame to make sure that it is the length that it's needed. Now, with a knife, you're going to cut along the edges, placing the knife sideways along the edge of the frame to give it a nice, smooth, straight cut. Using a screwdriver, tuck in the corners, and you have your sunscreen ready to protect your grass. Now it's time to install our sunscreen. Using a tape measure, score out some points for your anchors. We suggest 16 inches apart for big windows. Do this along the entire outside of your window, all four sides. That way you have a set of nice sturdy anchors for it to set on. Then, screw in your anchors, just below the frame. Now, carefully put your sunscreen in place, gently setting it on top of the bottom anchors. Turn each anchor into place over the frame. Or to have your sunscreens professionally made and installed for as low as $99, visit us at artificialgrassmasters.com.